Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to insert rows and columns in MS Excel. Before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So now, let's see how we can insert a column and a row. Suppose I want to add a row above row 4. I just need to right-click on it and then click on Insert. As you can see, now one empty row is added here. If you want to remove it, just right-click on it and select Delete. In the same way, if you want to add another column between these two columns, just right-click on the B column and then click on Insert. So friends, this is the simple way you can easily insert any row or column in MS Excel. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.